Here we had a beam, this beam right here. This went all the way across here, and at one point when they put in hot water heating, they decided that they needed to run pipes, which no surprise there. But what they did was, instead of going under the beam, which would have made the pipes really low, they decided to go through the beam. So what they did is they cut a big notch right out of the beam to run 6 pipes through. Now there is a beam above it, so I can see where they feel that they would have been okay, but the problem was they never added any more posts. So once we removed all the pipes, I then filled it in, jacked it up on both sides the best I could, added the post with 2x6s to distribute the weight a little bit, and then put a facer on each side to add a little extra support. And so we should be solid now.